So at some point when you're running Google Ads, you will need to verify your accounts. Typically, Google will send you an email alerting you about this with some links to do it and links to follow. However, if you want to do it manually on your accounts, this is how you do it. So under the top right hand corner, we go to Tools and Settings, and then we just go to Billing and click on Summary. Once you're in here, we just want to go to Advertiser Verification. And then all we do is simply just fill in this. It will ask us a load of information about our business and about us as an individual. And just fill it up and press Submit. For example, I'll go through it. So is your organization an advertising agency? I'm using a demo account, so I'm just going to go as if it was, if it wasn't. So no, yes, we pay Google Ads directly. Save and continue. And then what it will go through is ask you for some identification to verify you against your Google Ads account. So all you have to do is simply go through this process and answer all their questions and submit. It's quite simple. If you need any questions, if you have any questions, just please ask me in the comments. I'm happy to help.